Hi, everybody. It's Jen, and I am getting so excited about Portugal. How about you? So, we're about 8 weeks-ish away now. We're heading into the last week of August, first week of September, and our pre-trip classes are going to start shortly. Now, I'm doing a bunch of traveling between now and when we go, but we're still going to have our whole series of classes. A couple of them will be live happy hour style. You know, I love to do that. So I'll probably shoot for a Thursday or a Friday early evening, and we'll meet live for a cocktail hour. But a lot of them are also going to be recorded because I'm going to be on the West Coast for the next month, and the time difference will mess us up. So for most of us. So I will record those videos for you and you'll get them in a series. Just like if you've traveled with me before, they're just like before, there'll be YouTube videos that you can stream to your television if you want to. Um, and we'll cover all the basics that have to do with our trip specifically as we head up to departure day. There's a few other things in this email below that I want you to take a look at. The AMA app, you need to download the AMA app. I can help you do it. We can help you here at the office, but we need you to download it because they require you to agree to their terms and services and all that sort of thing. I did a little sample of it last night just to see, and I'll shoot a little video and show you how to do that, but we need to check in on the app. Now, excursions aren't open yet. They'll probably open sometime in the next 2 weeks. So it's best to get your check-in started so you're familiar with how to get in on the app. When we see the excursions open, I'll email you and let you know. And remember, on a river cruise, all we're doing is like pre-selecting those excursions. They're all included. And every night when we do that cocktail hour and the cruise director tells us about the excursions, we have the ability to change. So remember, it's not quite as uptight as it is on an ocean cruise. So no worries there if you don't get in on the very first day. Um, so they want you to download the app and to begin the check-in process. But the documents won't open yet. The excursions won't open yet. We have a few more weeks for that, but sometimes it's easier to do it in little bite-sized pieces. And I need you to do that yourselves because we aren't able to do it for you. The next thing that's we're going to need to hop on is your check-in for your airfare. So those of you that booked your air with AMA, we now have your confirmation codes. You can log into United. I'm pretty sure everybody's going United, just two different schedules. But you can log into the airline using that confirmation code and begin the check-in process. Remember, this early, 8 weeks out, it's just entering your passport information. Everybody should have their seat assignments already in there. They just want your passport, your global entry number, all of that sort of thing. So I'm going to include that information in this email for you. And if you need any assistance, the office is open. You just contact the office and we can help get you started for that. And then as the weeks tick by and we get closer to departure day, obviously the check-in for the airfare will open. I'll keep you posted on all of that so you know, and we'll get everybody checked in at that time. But just so you know, there are some things that are coming up here in the next few weeks that we'll need to pay attention to. Okay. If anything's going on and it's just been in the back of your mind and you haven't had a chance to contact me, just reach out. Give me a little bit of time because of my travel schedule, but Shelby and Michelle can navigate that for us to connect us and we'll get all of the questions answered. Let's see. I think that's about it for now. Be watching for the trip class page to open so you can see all the back videos and recordings and things like that. And what else? Download the AMA app. I'm super excited. I have wanted to do this trip for so long, and a few of you that are on the trip, it's your fault that we're all going. So thank you for that. But I hope you guys are doing well. Have a great weekend, and we will talk again soon. Okay? Bye, guys.